everyone, it's Teacher Bernadett and welcome to our first morning ring for the week. And our first morning ring is always on a Monday. Very good. But can you tell me what day comes after Monday? Tuesday, that's right. But now, what day comes before Monday? Sunday. Very good. And can you remember the names of the days of the week? Are you sure? All 7 of them? Let's make sure by singing our song. 1, 2, 3. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, everyone. Now that we've done the days of the week, we obviously have to do our months of the year. And can you tell me what month we're in right now? It's the first month of winter. That means that it is June, and June is the 6th month of the year. But now, can you remember all the names of the months of the year? All 10,000 of them? What? What do you mean there's not 10,000? Only 12? Are you sure? Let's make sure by singing our song. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Was that 12? That was 12. So we have 7 days of the week and 12 months in a year. And now, obviously, we have to do our alphabet song because it is our favorite song. So, let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good, everyone. So, let's move on to our theme this week. Our theme this week is something new, but something you all know quite a lot about. So, I'm hoping that you are going to teach me a lot more than I can teach you. And our theme this week is called Roles and Responsibilities. Now, responsibilities is a very big word, and it also means that there is a lot of importance to it. And we, even kids as young as you, yes, are responsible for many, many things. And every single person on this planet Earth has a role and a responsibility. Now let's start with me, and hopefully you can do the same for you. So my role is a daughter, a sister, a granddaughter. I'm also a friend, a cousin, a niece, and a teacher. So those are my very important roles. And every role has a responsibility. So my responsibility as a sister is to make sure that my brothers are always okay, and that they are loved, and that they are taken care of. My role as a daughter is to listen to my parents and my step-parents, and to make sure that I'm behaved and I take care of what is asked of me. And as a teacher, my role is to make sure that you are all loved and that you are all learning, because you can't learn without being loved. So it's a very, very important role for me to be a teacher but it also comes with a lot of responsibilities. So hopefully you can decide and think about what your roles are and what each role has as a responsibility. And I can promise you now that even as young as you are, every role that you have is very, very important and has a lot of responsibility to it. But now we also need to talk a little bit about, well, what exactly are we responsible for? Just ourselves. We're not going to talk about responsibility for every role that we have. We're just going to talk about, what am I responsible for? So some people are responsible for certain chores. Some people are responsible for making food, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning their rooms, doing their work, doing their homework, doing their schoolwork, and taking care of others. So we need to look at what responsibilities can I do. And I want you to think about that and think a little bit, well, what does my mommy ask me to do some days? Or my granny, or my sister, or my brother, or my dad, any one of those. What do people ask me to do? And do I do them? Am I responsible enough to do them by myself without having to be asked every single second of the day? You know, do I have chores that I just do without being reminded? Do I make my own bed in the morning? Do I clean my own room? Do I take care of a pet if I have a pet? Do I feed the pet? Do I feed myself? What do I do? And am I responsible enough to do them? And the answer should be yes. You are definitely responsible enough to do all your chores, all your responsibilities, and to make sure that the roles that you have are being fulfilled by you, or being done by you. So that is just a little bit about what roles and responsibilities are. In the next few morning rings for the week, we'll talk a little bit more in detail about certain roles we have, certain responsibilities we have, and how we can do those responsibilities. And obviously, well, what can I do as a kid? So I hope to see you for our following morning rings, but also I hope to see you later for our activities and our art activities, and obviously our story, because stories are important. So I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone. Hi everyone, it's Teacher Bernadett again, and welcome to our art activity for today. Now our art activity is gonna take a lot of imagination from your side, because I want every single piece of art to look totally different. So our art activity is also going to be a little bit of a life skills lesson and a literacy lesson and a numeracy lesson all in one. So what we are going to do today is we're going to make our very own star charts, or our chore charts. Because we are still at home, we don't really need a star chart like we do at school. But some families do have star charts to make sure that you are very well behaved. But we are going to do a star chart and a chore chart all in one. So what you're going to need: piece of paper. It can be a scrap piece of paper because we're only using one side. You're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and crayons or pencils or waxies or twisties or cookies, whichever you have. And if you have stickers, you can obviously use stickers. Don't fill out your own star chart just yet, because we need to figure out what we have to do and if we're going to do them this week. So let's get started. you saw, yet again, Teacher Bernadette forgot to mention that you need glue, oops, and scissors, and an extra piece of paper, because I realized everything doesn't fit, so 2 pieces of paper, not just one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write the numbers of the days of the week, which I know you all know, along with the words, so the names of the names of the days of the week, of course. And then you can color in all the blocks, or you can even paint them if you have paint, and then draw 4 pictures. Now I left this one as a question mark because I also want to make sure that you don't just copy what I do, but do your own things. So I chose brushing my teeth, making my bed, reading a book or doing my schoolwork, and then a surprise. So what I want you to do is to draw a little picture of yourself being good. So you remember to be good every single day, but to also then, you know, think what else can I do in my house? Do I have to do the dishes? Do I have to make some food? Do I have to take care of someone? So the things that are important for you to do in your house are the things that are going to be on your star chart. I just gave you some examples. And then if you have stickers, when you complete it on the day, you can put a sticker there. Or if you don't have stickers, what you can do is take a Koki, any Koki you have, and then just make a nice big tick if you've done that activity. Or you can even draw a picture on the block that you've done the activity. So I want you to put this on your wall to look at every day to make sure that you do your chores every day. And there you go. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you all for our story, but also tomorrow for some more fun activities. Bye everyone.